Hey everyone. So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android step by step. Missing Gmail notifications can cause you to miss important emails from clients, work, or personal contacts. This full guide for 2026 will make sure you never miss an email again. First, open the Gmail app and go to Settings. Select your account and make sure notifications is turned on. Set it to all. Next, go to Android Settings, Arrow Apps, Arrow Gmail, Arrow Notifications, and ensure notifications are enabled. Also check Do Not Disturb and Priority Settings. Check that Sync is enabled in Gmail Settings, Account, Sync Gmail. Without sync, notifications won't update. If notifications still don't work, clear cache in Settings, Arrow Apps, Arrow Gmail, Arrow Storage, Arrow Clear Cache. You can also clear data, but it may reset preferences. Make sure Gmail app is updated via Google Play Store. Check battery optimization, settings, battery optimization, Gmail, don't optimize. Restart your phone to apply settings. Send a test email to confirm notifications work. And yeah, that's how to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android step by step in 2026. If this helped you stay updated with your emails, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.